Welcome to Mappa's Art Studio!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've done anything, but life sort of took over. My husband and I, we were getting ready for Christmas with our other business, so that kind of took the front seat and the art kind of took the back seat for a little bit. But hey, I'm back and glad to be back in my studio. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. Thought I'd unbox my fluidartco order. So when Nate Bright organized the fundraiser for the hurricane relief, Fluid Art Co, a lovely company, creators of this little piggy pigments and so much more stuff, they created a special pigment for the fundraising efforts for the hurricane relief, and it was called Benevolence. And yes, I know most artists have already gotten their pigment, but with me living on an island, sometimes things are a bit more delayed. So we're gonna unbox. So I placed 2 orders with Fluid Art, and let's open the small one. Can I just say I love their tape? Let's see what's in here. And let's start with we got latte, and agapanthus. Oh, here we go. We got agapanthus. Golden peach. Aspen. And in this one I got Benevolence, which is a lovely blue. I can't wait to work with this. I can't wait to work with all of them actually. And another Benevolence. So in this order I got 2 tubs of Benevolence. And onto the bigger order. Let's open it. Right, you can already see some of the goodies in here. So I got their spatula. It's number 15. I think in this order I also got the mystery box. So I got Tri Art Permanent Crimson. Ooh, lovely. And there's a color. And I also got their pack of, I think this is their 7-ounce. 7-ounce bottles. 7 ounces. And in the pack there are, I think I got 2 orders of 10, so that's 20 in total. And then, ooh, Amsterdam Expert Series in yellowish green. Yum. Then I also wanted to try out this Tri Art liquid glass, so I figured I'd get the 1000 ml and be done with it. And what else did I get? Ooh, axolotl. And another benevolence. This box was actually my first order, and then I figured I'd order 2 more of benevolence because it was a limited edition. There's a lot of bottles in here, selected, and there's sticker. This will be going on my water bottle. So I'll mostly be using these bottles from my Dutch pours, kind of like how Erica Hughes and Canella Sirocco uses the squeeze bottles. I think Canella gets hers from Loli Buffy, but I'll be using these from my Dutch pours. And there you have it, folks. This is my first but not my last order from Fluid Art Co. and the start of my TLP collection. So Fluid Art Co., Billy and team, thank you guys for getting this out so quickly, despite the many orders that you guys had. But you guys are awesome. As always, thank you all for joining me today. I know it's a little bit different from, you know, my art videos that I normally do, but I promise you I will be back in the studio soon. I can't wait to use some of these awesome colors and get painting. So I'll see you guys soon. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.